See equation number 1, first part. Solve the pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So in this question we have to reduce this given equations in the pair of linear equations. So in first part it is given that 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. In both the equations you can see the variables are in denominator. So first of all we take this these two equations as first, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now you can see in first and second question, but I am taking first in first equation, first term 1 upon 2x can be expanded in the term of 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. If we assume this 1 upon x as some variable, let 1 upon x we have assume like a, and similarly 1 upon 3y can be extended 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y. So 1 upon y we have taken as b. So in this case when we put this 1 upon x is equal to a in the equation number 1, like you can see in this rough portion 1 upon 2 instead of 1 upon x, if we put a, so it will be a upon 2. Okay, so when we put this 1 upon x is equal to a in equation number 1, so it would be a upon 2. Okay, a upon 2, just I have explained in the rough portion. So take first equation to put 1 upon x is equal to a, so it will be a upon 2. Similarly here also 1 upon y can be written as b, so it will be b upon 3 is equal to 2. Okay, now in second equation also, if we put 1 upon x is equal to a, instead of 1 upon x we have taken as a upon 3 plus 1 upon y as b, so b upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now we express these two equations in reducing form by taking LCM. LCM among these 2 and 3 will be 6. So 6 is the LCM, so by this cross multiplication it will be 3a and plus 2b, as you know very well, is equal to 2. Now the second equation also takes LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, and on numerator it will be 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 upon 6. Now see in this equation 6 in both the denominators, from both the sides to be cancelled, and take this first equations, this 3a plus 2b, and this transpose to 6 to other sides, it will be 2 into 6, 12. And now take other equations, this 2x plus 3b is equal to 13. You can give the numbering of these equations also, so as 3 and 4. Now I am going to solve these two equations by elimination method. You can apply any convenient method, it is upon you. So by elimination method, just I am going to eliminate a term from both the equations. For that we multiply equation number 1 this by 2 and other equation by 3. When we multiply this first equation by 2, it will be 6a plus 2 to the 4b is equal to 12 to the 24. Now second equation is multiplied by 3 to make the coefficient of a term of both the equations are equal. So it will be 6a plus 9b plus is equal to 39. Now you can see a terms in both the equations are same. Now subtract it, because both the a having same sign. For same sign we need to subtract the equations, so a terms will be cancelled. We subtract 4b minus 9b, it will be minus 5b is equal to 24 minus 39. So we subtract 39 minus 24, but the result is in here in negative, So minus 15. Okay, you can see here also 4b minus 9b is equal to 5b. How this 5b minus 5b has come, that's why I have explained. And see, for minus 15, 24 minus 39 can be simplified like that only. Okay, now come to this term. From both the sides you can see this minus sign, so b would be written minus 15 upon minus 5. Minus are cancelled from numerator and denominator, and 15 are reduced by 5. So b is equal to 3. Okay, b is equal to 3. Now we substitute b is equal to 3 in any equations. So I have substitute in this first equation, 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. So instead of b, just you put 3. So 3a plus 2 3 are 6 is equal to 12. Now transpose this 6 to other sides, 12 and with minus 6, 3a is equal to 6. Then a will be 6 upon 3. Reduce it, 3 2 are 6. So a is equal to 2. We have two values, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Now we need to find the value of x and y. Now again we substitute the value of a and b where we have assumed, that is 1 upon x is equal to a. So putting the value of a where we have assumed 1 upon x is equal to a. So 1 upon x is equal to 2 and 1 upon y is equal to 3. Okay. Now to find x, we have to make the reciprocal of this x and y. So 1 upon x is equal to 2 and 1 upon y is equal to 3. So for x we take the reciprocal of both the sides. Okay, so it will be x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 upon 2, and taking the reciprocal of both the sides, 1 upon y is equal to 3 upon 1. When take the reciprocal of 1 upon y is y, and reciprocal of 3 upon 1 is 1 upon 3. That is the answer.